Are you planning your next travel tour and want to make the most out of it? Well, you're in the right place. Let's delve into the art of planning, an essential first step for any successful journey. Planning, you see, isn't just about picking a destination and booking a flight. It's about preparing for the adventure that awaits. It's about ensuring that you're ready to face whatever comes your way, whether it's a sunny beach day or a sudden rain shower in the middle of your hike. Early booking is a key aspect of this. Not only does it often allow you to snag better deals on flights and accommodations, but it also gives you ample time to research your destination. This research can include everything from the local culture and customs to the best spots for a sunset view or a delicious local meal. The more you know before you go, the better equipped you'll be to fully experience and appreciate your travels. But don't mistake careful planning for a rigid schedule. One of the greatest joys of travel is the unexpected, the hidden gems you stumble upon, the spontaneous friendships you form, the unplanned adventures that become the highlights of your trip. So, while it's important to have a plan, it's equally crucial to leave some room for flexibility in your itinerary. Think of your plan as a roadmap, not a strict schedule. It should guide you but not constrain you. It should provide direction, but not limit your freedom to explore. Because, at the end of the day, travel is about discovery, about stepping out of your comfort zone and into the unknown, about embracing the unexpected and the unplanned, about finding joy in the journey itself. So, as you prepare for your next tour, keep these tips in mind. Plan carefully, but be ready to adapt. Book early, but stay open to new experiences. Research your destination, but also let it surprise you. Remember, a well-planned tour sets the foundation for a memorable journey. Now let's shift gears and talk about packing, a crucial yet often overlooked aspect of touring. You see, the art of packing is all about balance. It's about carrying what you need without being weighed down by what you don't. This is where the concept of a capsule wardrobe comes in handy. It's a small collection of versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched to create a variety of outfits. Think neutral colors, multifunctional items, and clothes appropriate for the weather. But don't forget the essentials. These are items like your passport, medication, toiletries, and a handy travel guide. And remember, packing isn't just about clothes. It's also about smart space utilization. Roll, don't fold. Use packing cubes. And always leave a little space for the unexpected. Packing light will not only ease your journey, but also leave room for unique souvenirs. Scene script. Once you reach your destination, how do you make the most of it? By immersing in the local culture, of course. Now, what does it mean to immerse in the local culture? It means to dive headfirst into the life of the locals. And why should you do this? Because it's the best way to truly experience a place, its people, and its traditions. You see, the real beauty of a place isn't just in its landscapes, monuments, or attractions. It's in its people, their lifestyle, and their traditions. Engaging with locals can be a game changer. It can turn your trip from a mere sightseeing tour into an unforgettable cultural adventure. Locals can share insights, stories, and tips that no travel guidebook can. They can lead you to hidden gems, authentic eateries, and unique experiences that most tourists miss. So don't hesitate to strike up a conversation with the friendly shopkeeper, the chatty taxi driver, or the elderly woman selling fruits at the market. It's these interactions that often make the most lasting memories. Trying local cuisine is another fantastic way to immerse in the local culture. Every place has its unique flavors, ingredients, and cooking methods. Sampling local dishes isn't just a culinary delight, it's a cultural exploration. Each bite can tell you a story of traditions, influences, and history that have shaped the local food culture. So don't shy away from that unfamiliar dish on the menu. Give it a try, and who knows, it might become your new favorite. Participating in cultural activities can enrich your travel experience. Attend local festivals, watch traditional performances, or try your hand at local crafts. These activities can give you an intimate understanding of the local culture, far beyond what you can learn from books or museums. Taking guided tours can further enhance your cultural immersion. Guides can fill you in on the history, traditions, and local lore that shape the place's unique identity. They can help you see the place through a local's lens, giving you a richer, deeper appreciation of your destination. So don't just be a tourist, be a traveler. Immerse, interact, and involve. While adventures are fun, safety should never take a back seat. No matter how thrilling the escapade, the importance of being safe can't be emphasized enough. Think of safety as your invisible travel buddy, always there, ensuring you enjoy your journey without any hiccups. Now, the first mate of this invisible buddy is travel insurance. It's the safety net that cushions you from unforeseen mishaps. So, before you jet off, make sure you're covered. Next up, keep those emergency contacts handy. Whether it's the local embassy or a trusted friend back home, knowing who to call in a crisis can make a world of difference. And finally, respect the local laws and customs. Remember, you're a guest in their home. Blend in, respect boundaries, and follow the established norms. So pack your sense of adventure, but don't forget the safety measures. To enjoy your tour to the fullest, ensure safety accompanies you at all times. Now this might sound a bit cliché, but hear me out. We live in a world dominated by technology, where every moment is an opportunity for a snapshot, a selfie, a post for the gram. But when it comes to travel, sometimes it's not just about capturing the perfect photo, but about capturing the perfect memory. Think back to your last adventure. Can you recall the taste of the local cuisine, the sound of the bustling marketplace, the feeling of the wind in your hair as you zipped through unfamiliar streets? If you were too focused on getting that perfect shot, you might have missed out on these sensory experiences that make travel truly enriching. Now, don't get me wrong. Photos are incredible. They're tangible memories, frozen moments in time that you can revisit whenever you please. But they shouldn't be the sole focus of your journey. Instead, consider photos as a part of a larger narrative, a narrative that includes not only what you see, but also what you feel, taste, hear, and smell. One great way to ensure you're taking in the full experience is by keeping a travel journal or blog. Write about the things you see, the people you meet, and the emotions you feel. This practice can help you engage more deeply with your surroundings, making your travel experience more meaningful and memorable. So, next time you find yourself in a breathtaking locale, resist the urge to immediately whip out your camera. Take a moment to soak in the scenery, close your eyes, breathe in the fresh air, listen to the sounds around you. Let the experience wash over you before reaching for your camera. This way you're not just snapping a picture, you're creating a multi-sensory memory, one that will stay with you long after the trip has ended. You're painting a vivid picture in your mind, one that no camera, no matter how advanced, can truly capture. So remember to capture memories in your heart, not just in your camera. Alright, let's quickly summarize what we've learned today. We kicked off by mastering the art of planning. Remember, a well-planned itinerary can transform your trip, so always dedicate time to research and plan. Next, we dove into packing smart and traveling light. Less is more when it comes to luggage, and a well-packed bag can make your journey a lot smoother. Then, we explored immersing ourselves in the local culture. Embrace the unknown, try new food, learn local phrases. It's all part of the adventure. We also emphasized the importance of safety. Always stay alert and informed about your surroundings. Your well-being is paramount. And lastly, we touched on capturing memories, not just photos. Engage with the environment and the people around you. Make your trip memorable, not just photogenic. Now you are ready to make the most out of your next travel tour. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips.